Please, come here, come around here, so you see everything. I will explain the planning of this session. In this first step, I will show to you how to construct a concrete swimming pool. Okay. In this part, we have a different type of models with different type of waterproofing layers, and in this area, there are the new surfaces, liner of PVC, polyester, polystyrene. The objective of Fixcer is supply to you different type of materials to fix ceramic tiles, whatever is the surface. Okay. Okay. Then we will make a break, take another coffee, and then Paco is our friend. We will show to us how to apply different type of products. Okay. Please make questions, because the questions is the most important thing in this session. Okay. Okay. Let's start. In this case, we have a swimming pool, a concrete swimming pool. Okay. Do you know that the first step is to construct the base of the swimming pool with concrete? Okay. And the second step is construct the walls with concrete too. Okay. But we have the first problem. When you construct this part, the walls, the concrete is wet, and this concrete is completely dry. Okay? Then you are making a fissure, a crack around the swimming pool. The first fissure. We are making this fissure. We are making the first problem in our swimming pool. Then, to avoid the possibility of leaks between the union between the walls and the floor, it's imperative. It's very important to put a hydro expansion joint in this point. I have another model to see this point. The hydro expansion joint is focus stop, like this, okay? Then it's important to put in the middle of the thickness of the walls, okay? But this is an hydro expansion joint, then reacts with the water, okay? Then the expansion makes a lot of pressure. Then it's very important to have minimum 7 centimeters of concrete around the hydro expansion joint.
Which pressure this provide when it's contacting water?
The number of the pressure, I don't know. Exactly the number, I don't know. But it's a very big pressure. Okay? Then if you put the fuga stop close near to the water, this is the swimming pool, okay, with the water, the concrete will break.
Yes.
Yes. Then depends, very important question, depends of the thickness of the concrete, then you can put the mini one.
This is 25, I think, 20
With 20 centimeters, you have 7, 7, 7, 7. Then it's correct. But in this case, this small wall, you only have 12 centimeters. Then you need the other one, the mini. Okay, I will explain this part later. Okay, this is very important because a correct swimming pool needs hydro expansion joints in this point. The waterproofing layer is only 2 millimeters of thickness. The concrete is 20 centimeters. then the logically of the swimming pool is that the concrete base is completely waterproof without the waterproofing layer. I repeat, the swimming pool without waterproofing layer must be completely waterproofed. This is the message. This is very important. This is the most important
Yes.
phrase of today. Okay? Okay, fantastic. This fuga stop has 5 linear meters. Okay? Then you have the final of one and the initial of the other one. The union is not in this sense. The union is with overlooping of 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Okay? So it's very important. Okay? Another thing, you put the fuga stop 7 centimeters, okay, and then put the wood panels and pour the new concrete, okay? But if the fuga stop moves when you are pouring the concrete, then is a danger that you have the fuga stop so close to the water. Then it's imperative fix the fuga stop with an adhesive like mastic MS to fix the fuga stop on the dry concrete. First, the pouring of the new concrete. Understanding me?
Yeah.
Yes? Fantastic. Mastic MS is a fast setting adhesive in only 15 minutes. It's completely dry, and then you can put the new concrete.
When the fuga stop finds the other part of fuga stop, how you connect them?
It's not connected. You must put the
Like
final
that.
of one with the initial of three.
Yes, but we have 7 centimeters over there, so means that takes some.
Can put up
Can put up
Ah.
also.
Yeah.
Okay.
up in up, then up.
Yes, we don't have. Okay, in Greece we don't have this problem. We have 25 centimeters of concrete.
25.
Yes, over there. Because of the earthquakes, they're afraid and they make the walls 25 centimeters of concrete.
Fantastic. Then I prefer to put in this sense.
I understand. So for us it's better. Okay. And we can do that.
The corners, how do you do?
Directly.
It's fantastic.
It's elastic. Okay, this is the most important part of the swimming pool, and this is the cheapest product. Then, no screws. You must put this hydro expansion joint in these unions, and the other part is the union between the PVC materials to the concrete. The 90% of the swimming pools that have leaks, the problem is in this point. Then this is a very, very important part. The other 10% is the expansion joint. Okay? Then we will show to you with a demo how to apply, how to make this union between the PVC and the concrete. But in this moment, you remember, this is very important. This ceiling, skimmers, lights, the drains, etc. Okay? Fantastic. In this moment, we have the swimming pool completely waterproofed. Then, yes,
Question, sir. From which material is
This
fuga
one?
stop made? Which material is it?
this is bentonita. I think in English it's bentonite, bentonite, but it's modified. It's modified because when this react with the water and you put a concrete, and concrete is wet. The new concrete has a lot of quantity of water. Then we put a retardant. You understand retardant?
Yes.
Of 3 days.
Delay the expansion.
Yeah.
Exactly. To delay the expansion. Okay.
Why is it better than caoutchouc, which is
Very good question.
Când stă în apă, 3 zile nu face nimic.
The caoutchouc
Nu, el nu reacționează decât după 3 zile.
is a good product that reacts with water, but only react one time. Our dilatation, your expansion joint only react with the quantity, exactly the quantity that comes in. And then the rest of the Fugastop is liquid. Okay?
It's ready for that.
Is ready for the next. Exactly. Then, obviously, with this, we never have problems, but with caoutchouc, be careful, because it reacts only one time and completely.
I have one question which is very important to me.
Please,
I'm building concrete swimming pool. And I put the concrete in the walls and in the bottom inside.
You're listening, or please, yes, the question, please.
I put the concrete in same time, the bottom and the walls.
Ah,
I
fantastic.
don't have this kind of problems. I have effect of glass. I need problem with that. This is the final quota, 0. How I can put this on the wall, my wall, to have
S90s,
yes.
okay, but
I need a smaller one.
the next step.
Okay.
The next step. We are making the completely concrete base, okay? The base and the walls, and the expansion and the ceiling of the PVC tubes, okay? This is the most important. The next step, we need to do renders to achieve a perfect planimetry on the swimming pool, okay? Okay, in this case, we put a primer, made it with a liquid, prefix, it's a liquid. You must mix one part of this liquid with one part of cement and apply. Is this paint? And apply directly to the dry concrete. This is a bone core, okay? Then, very important, wet on wet, you must apply the mortar to make the render. We produce different type of mortars to make the renders of the wall and of the floor. Recrecem premix for the floor, Fic Revoco for the walls. Okay? Which is the next step? Which is the next step?
Relation.
Hydrosolation, Romanian, no? Waterproofing, okay? Waterproofing, okay. But the swimming pool is completely waterproofing because I've installed the expansion joint, I've set it there. Then, which is the objective of the waterproofing layer? This is very important to understand the objective of the waterproofing layer.
I know.
3 million.
No,
To protect
the
the
objective.
steel armature.
The objective.
To protect the steel armature.
The objective of the waterproofing layer is to protect the steel. It's not to achieve a waterproofing swimming pool. The waterproofing layer inside the swimming pool is to protect the steel of the concrete. Only this. When the waterproofing layer is a cementitious waterproofing, because if you want waterproofing and complete waterproofing, we have lamina proof but this is another type of waterproofing. Then depends if you use a cementitious layer as a waterproofing layer, you are protecting the steel of the concrete. Only you are protecting the steel of the concrete. You understand this part? It's very important to understand this part. Okay?
Protejează
I've
armatura
put the render and then the waterproofing layer on it. My question now is, if you put first the waterproofing layer and then the render on it, which happens?
Что тебе ставишь гидроизоляцию?
You understand my question?
Hidroizolație, chestii astea, pentru ceramic.
You understand my question?
Nu n-am pus atent de nu știu.
Hydroisolation is final, and then going
Crack.
the glue and the ceramic.
Yes, but I put the render first and waterproofing. But I make a mistake and I put the first waterproofing and then the render on it. Which is the problem?
Can crack.
Dilutation.
Dilatation no, crack no.
So,
The water will affect the rendering because the rendering will be almost dissolved. It's two phenomena in aggressive water like swimming pool water. One is unbalanced water will, let's say, extract the calcium from the cementous layer to the water, re-equilibrate the water.
I am agree with you, but we have a bigger problem. The waterproofing is a waterproofing layer. Non-accept water is a repellent surface. Then the render
Will not
goes
stay
out.
on the waterproof.
And I've seen this problem a lot of times. The people make a mistake and put first the waterproofing and then the render. Don't make this mistake. The first step is the render and then the waterproofing. Very important. Okay?
Tencuială și apă.
We
De ciment,
have
nu, de ciment.
three different type of cementitious waterproofing layers. Okay? You can see the different type of flexibility, the most flexible and elastic, okay? A lot of flexibility and flexible, okay? Hydrofix, Impertot and Hydroelastic. The same objective for three. Protect the steel of the concrete.
Știți care e diferența între flexibil și elastic?
You must
Linia de plastic e flexibilă, dar nu e elastic. Elastic se întindă. Flexibil se
Paco is applying the waterproofing on the TV. If you want, excuse me, if you want to see, I think how Paco apply the waterproofing, cementitious waterproofing on a swimming pool. Okay? We must apply 2 layers of 1 millimeter of thickness per layer. Okay?
On perpendicular.
Yes, perpendicular. Different sets. Okay, we will finish our swimming pool. We have put the renders, the waterproofing, it's clear, the waterproofing, the second step, and then we need a fantastic adhesive to fix ceramic tiles on a waterproofing layer, because waterproofing layer repels, you understand? Yes. Or then we need a good adhesive to fix ceramic tiles on the waterproofing layer. In this case, we use Technocold gel. Fix the ceramic tiles and then make the grout. And how do you do the grout? Which type of product do you recommend to make the grout? The grout inside the swimming pool. The grout, the joint. Epoxy. I like this answer. And the reason why epoxy? Which is the reason of epoxy? This is our best advice.
Not have absorption.
Give more waterproofing.
Waterproofing, epoxy is completely waterproofing. Another characteristic,
Not have absorption.
you
It's not necessary.
Anti-aging.
epoxy, the first characteristic is waterproofing, the second
Stable
characteristic
material.
is chemical resistant. Chemical resistant. Okay? Then obviously is the best for the joint, for the grout of the swimming pool. Okay. We have a new demo with a new product. Is Ideal Pool. Is a cementitious grout, cementitious joint. The best solution is the epoxy grout, but in some cases epoxy is not is expensive, or it's not possible to apply epoxy. Then we will give to you the best solution from Fixcer for the joint, for the grouts, but with cementitious products. Okay, we will see. Okay, in this case, now we must put the S9 piece. Okay, and obviously in this case we have a union between two concretes. Then we have the possibility to have leaks in this point. Then always put a wall, a small wall in this part of S9 piece, and put the hydro expansion joint, the mini hydro expansion joint, to avoid possibility of leaks. I answer your question of. You have questions? No? Of this part?
This element for me, for my opinion, is too big for this thickness of wall.
Too big?
Too big. This wall. You have more elements.
Well, depends of the piece that you
Yes.
want.
Have this kind of
More?
Yes,
More.
yes.
Yes. I will show to you. Okay.
too much pressure is in this area. Well, with too much pressure, this area is risk very problematic. If this element is good, you understand me?
Yes, yes. We must put enough thickness of concrete in this part.
Around is laying down some period of time. I don't know, 5 years, maybe. There should be also because this is too heavy. So I asking you, do you have some
More. We have
It might,
a lot of different type of sizes. I will discuss with
I will
you.
show you later when we finish my videos, my way with the extremity. I only have problem with
Okay. We will see. Okay. Next step.
No, he was telling about the pressure. You think it's the pressure of the water? It doesn't get affected by
No, I
this
know.
measure. It's only
Not
gets
pressure.
the pressure. It never
the weight
happens
of this
on
element.
the block. The weight of the
Yes.
block. It's less than the concrete itself. It's empty here.
I know what.
So, but I mean, for the pressure, you don't have to worry if it's shorter or longer, okay? Because the water pressure, you only get affected by the depth of the water, never by the length of the pool. Okay, the pressure of the water goes a triangle, always depending on the depth, never about the measure of the size of the pool. Okay,
I know that.
so it's not a problem for the pressure. But anyway, yes, it's big. It's big size, so you can put the finger grip here. You can put everything. But we have a shorter one, which is only 4 centimeters, and then the grating. So we have different type of options to solve any situation.
I will see later.
Okay. Now in this part, I will show to you the other type of waterproofing layer. you can put around, yes. I need this area. Exactly. Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you. Well, we have 4 different type of models. Okay. In this case, you can see the lamina proof. The lamina proof is a plastic, and we put polypropylene fiber to fix the lamina proof directly only with cementitious adhesive to the surface, and then the other part you can fix ceramic tiles directly to the lamina proof only with cementitious adhesive. Okay? Then when you have one lamina and the final of the another, you have a union. Then this union you must put a banda solapes, and we fix this one with epoxy product. Okay? In this case, we have the lamina in this model. In this case, we have the lamina too, and in this third model, we have the cementitious protection waterproof. Okay. My question is, in which swimming pool we have leaks? Water goes out.
Mainly bad pools, yeah?
Bad pools, yes. Yes, because in this case you don't have leaks, in this case you don't have leaks, and in this case you don't have leaks. Then the swimming pool is correct construction. Okay, fantastic. This is with cementitious adhesive, this is with lamina. Okay? I make another question. Which is the difference between these two solutions?
On the ergo system, lamina is applied from bottom up to channel. In this system, lamina is applied below the overflow.
Fantastic, Bojan. The lamina is below the S9 piece, and in this case the lamina is above. Which is the best? This one is the best? You have problems with this? No. Then,
This area is important.
But in this case, this part need to make before to put this.
Podloga, pa ovo, pa ovo. I mean, this is okay.
which is the reason? Which is the reason?
One is good, one is not good. 3 questions. I think this is good.
I make the questions.
Okay.
You have problems with this system? You have problems with this system? Is not or yes? The answer is
I think there is no problem.
no problem. No problem. But in this case, I put the lamina below, and in this case, I put the lamina up. Which is the reason?
It's the channel you wanted to protect the inside of the flow, maybe to avoid the hydroisolation in this part because you place the lamina inside.
More or less. I give to you 1 minute more. In this case, this is the answer.
Okay.
In this case, the S9 piece is an easy piece because you only have 1 corner, 2 corners, 3, 4, 5. In this case, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then, in this case, the S9 piece explain to me that the best solution is to put the lamina proof below. But in this case, the S9 piece is very easy, then it's better to put the lamina. Then all solutions is good. No problems in this case, and this case, and in this case. But depends of the S9 piece, you prefer one or another. You understand me?
Yes.
Okay.
Which one is a time saver, let's say? In which one we will save time in construction? I think maybe in the middle one, because we will have one operation less.
What is your opinion? The faster solution, this or this?
Faster is this.
Clear?
Yeah, but
Faster, and more. This one. But
This is the safe.
you, in this case, don't have waterproofed the S9 piece. Then this gray color is a cementitious waterproof.
yeah.
Then in this case, we put the lamina below the pieces and put a cementitious waterproofing on the S9 piece.
One technical question. If we have old concrete like this,
If you have
old concrete,
all concrete, okay?
what is the minimum height of the new concrete to get, you know, to get in joint? So they made a pool,
Da,
they
dai,
made
că
the
tu-
you put centimeters.
But I understand that you have an all concrete.
And then we will make that.
Ah, okay.
What is the minimum? Because I don't want to place new one, 10 centimeters.
E greu de făcut. Oriște la mine cu tot.
It's not important. The important is the wall core that you must apply. And I can show you.
So also we have to take fixed remote.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Ah. Okay. It's clear this intention, okay? I am joking with you. Eh? It's better. Okay. Yes. I am agree with you. Okay. The final part. The new area. The new surface. This is the future. When we make this presentation to a French people, or French, everybody goes to here. Because concrete pools, it's an old solution, it's an expensive solution, it's not a faster solution. This is faster, very quick, faster. Then the attention is in this point. In Spain, it's not important, this area. In Slovenia, in a lot of different countries, I don't know. But this is the future, sure. And the future explained to us that there are a different type of surfaces. And Fixcer gives to you a solution to fix ceramic tiles on these different type of surfaces. And it's very easy to explain, very, very easy to explain. For example, the first one, polyester. Polyester, do you know the polyester? Is these blue swimming pools, base and put, okay, fiber, okay, glass fiber with polyester resin. Okay, in these cases, you can fix ceramic tiles directly to the polyester fiber.
It's flexible.
The polyester is flexible and rigid, it's a mixture. Then the adhesive, it's called professional PX, is flexible and rigid.
Flexible.
It's a medium. It's not flexible, it's not as a polyurethane, and it's not only an epoxy. It's rigid, it's a medium. Okay? We produce this product in 26 colors because the product is useful to fix the ceramic tiles and to make the joint, the grout. Okay? The process is very easy. The first step is brush with this paper the surface, smooth, immediately clean with acetone, and it's enough. Then you only must use professional PX with the color that you have choose for the grout, and make the adhesion and the grout in the same.
The primer is
paint.
not necessary.
It's not necessary. Okay? There are a lot quantity of polyester swimming pools in the world. All polyester swimming pools with the blue color, light blue color. In these cases, you can apply new ceramic tiles making this process.
Question: it's better using mosaic or?
In the material, then you can fix ceramic tiles on it. But the business is not inside the swimming pool. The business is not inside the swimming pool. The business is with this piece, the round. Remember this. This is the initial point inside the swimming pool. But the business for you is surround with ceramic tiles, with another solutions, and new ceramic tiles. Understand me?
Yes.
May I take this? May I take this?
Yes, of course. I will give to you another one. Okay, the first one. The second one, liner of PVC.
Don't stick as
PVC liner. PVC liner glued, not floating. Floating, no. Okay? But in this case, Astral, do you know Astral? Do you know Fluidra?
Yes.
Of course. The solution of Fluidra is make this. The solution of Fluidra, do you know, put the PVC liner, glue it, and then the rest is floating. In these cases, the best client for us for this solution is Fluidra. They buy to us. This product is named as Elasticer to fix the ceramic tiles on liner, on PVC liner, glue it. I repeat, glue it. Okay? Which is the process? It's very easy to explain. The first step is a primer for Elasticer. It's not a primer. The name is primer, but it's not a primer. This is a cleaner. Yeah? This is a cleaner. You must clean the liner of PVC, and immediately, 10 minutes, you can use Elasticer. Elasticer is a flexible. In this case, the adhesive is flexible, very flexible, and it's called Elasticer because the liner of PVC is elastic surface. It's an old model, eh?
If I don't touch, I don't believe.
Yes.
If the liner is not glued, if it's floating, which glue should we use to glue the liner first?
You must ask to the manufacturer of the liner. It's better because it's a cheaper adhesive. It's not complicated.
Okay.
The complication is fix ceramic tiles on but to fix the liner is very easy. Excuse me.
Why need to put type to the liner? Why not problem demontate the liner?
No, it's a different type of solution.
Because in the Baltic market, liner not the glue, a liner only of time is floating. Yeah. Putting PVC and the top after them with special coating, everything like a bag.
I make you an answer. Excuse me. Thank you. The question is, I remove the liner of PVC and put another thing. Okay, but we have a different type of clients in the world. And then, for example, in Cyprus, we have a client that make the swimming pools with gunita. Gunita, you understand? Concrete spray. Okay, directly.
Torcret is the name. Torquet.
Fantastic. Torquet. With Torquet. And then use the liner of PVC and protect all the swimming pool with liner of PVC. And then buy to us the elasticern adhesive and fix ceramic tiles and give to their clients, to his clients, a warranty of 25 years. Then we need a solution for this case, or the solution for fluid extract. Okay? Another surface. Polystyrene. Okay, and the last one, polypropylene. Polypropylene is a very dangerous surface because it's absolutely repellent. Repellent, I don't know, to the water and to the all of type of materials. Okay, then we have made another type of lamina proof, lamina steel. And lamina steel is a lamina, an auto-adhesive, self-adhesive lamina. This is adhesive. Okay? Then in these cases, we clean the polypropylene with acetone and then fix the lamina steel directly to the polypropylene. Make the union between one lamina and the next with banda solapes. We will show to you how to do this union, okay? And then fix with S1 the ceramic tiles and make the grout with epoxy grout. Easy, quick solution for this application. And as a finish, I can explain to you that we have another product when the surface is polyurea. Polyurea is a good product to waterproof. Originally, polyurea is used for boats, but in some cases, the people that apply polyurea apply the polyurea to waterproof a swimming pool. But then the problem is how to fix ceramic tiles on polyurea, because polyurea is the most difficult surface to apply ceramic tiles on it. We have Fixadur. Fixadur is a specific adhesive to fix ceramic tiles on polyurea. Then if you, in some case, have polyurea in a swimming pool, we can give to you a solution to fix ceramic tiles on it. All these solutions is explained in the new gear. This is the first one, the first day for you. I will give to you a gift in the final session, and in the back you have the gear. The gear is very easy, it's in English, and appears all these solutions step by step. I think it's clear. Now is the time for coffee. and I am here to make to answer your questions. How to clean a dry epoxy, a completely dry epoxy. Okay. In this case, we have a very incomplete ceramic tiles with dry epoxy. Okay. And if you have problems with these rests of products, you only have two solutions: remove the ceramic tiles or clean the dry epoxy. And to clean the dry epoxy, we have this product, epoxy cleaner. Okay? To use this product, you must use glass and blocks, okay? Because it's a dangerous product, and apply on the stain of epoxy dry. And let to dry during 20-30 minutes. Then, now apply, and we will do the different demos, and the final process we will clean the epoxy dry. You understand me?
Yes.
Okay? And the second part is the sealing of the PVC and the concrete. Okay? The first step is make this hole around the PVC. We need 25 millimeters of thickness and 25 millimeters of depth. Okay? The first step is clean with a paper brush the PVC and apply the primer. This is the secret of this sealing. And you must let to dry 1 hour. And then we will make the same. Paco will apply now the primer and let to dry 1 hour. We will make all the demos, and the final process we will seal with the sellador around the PVC tube. Understand me?
Yes.
Yes? One question. The PVC primer, imprimación sellador, is only for surfaces with absorption. I make a question. The concrete has absorption? Yes.
Depends. You can make it.
Yes. The concrete has absorption, more or less. But
If you put them additives.
oh, this is a problem. In the swimming pools, the additives for concrete, but normally the concrete has absorption, more or less level. Then you must apply the imprimación. Okay. The mortars has absorption.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Without any.
Then you must apply. Okay. The PVC tubes has absorption.
Not if it's slick. If you.
The PVC tubes has absorption. Low level of absorption, but has absorption. Then Paco has applied the primer on the PVC and on the concrete. Okay, then you must apply the primer on PVC. 1 hour. If you have a window, subaquatic window, made it with inox steel has absorption?
No.
No. Then you must apply the primer on steel.
But you must clean very well.
Exactly. This is different. This is cleaning and this is a primer. Then the resume, you only must put this primer only on absorption surfaces, not on steel inox, for example.
How
Okay?
much time we must wait for this?
20 minutes, 30 minutes, it's enough. Then we will make the different demos, and the final process we will clean.
I have a question with this.
Što hoće da izvadi
What happens on the garage?
I neće da se
You have to be careful not to
Then
apply as much
the product reacts with the ground.
Okay, so it's not a big problem if you
And not change the color.
because maybe with small tiles it's hard to
Cantitativ sau puteți să faceți adică o suprafață nu atât de cantitativă cât a dat el de fărățare. Demonstrație, dacă trebuie atât de mult,
Our objective is not to sell this product. No, not for sale. It's our objective. Why? Because if you need this one, you have a problem. Then I have a problem, right? Because you have made a mistake. You have a dry epoxy, and we sell a lot quantity of this product. Then the people are making a lot of mistakes. I am joking with you. Then the future is not sell this one. And then we will make the demo how to apply correctly epoxy on anti-slip material. And then this is the
part of the
most important part. But at this moment we sell a lot quantity of epoxy.
Which pressure is put on
Next.
The next step by step. Okay? Okay. Let's do this area. Okay, in this part, we will show to you how to apply hydroelastic. Hydroelastic is one of our cementitious layer. You can buy it's a big component. You can buy the liquid and the powder. Okay, this is the industrial packaging, or the smallest. This is a liquid with a powder. You must mix only the liquid with the powder. Okay, and with this application, we will achieve an elastic waterproofing. Okay. Okay. I repeat. This waterproofing must be applied in 2 layers of 1 millimeter thickness, okay? In different scents, the first layer and the second layer, okay? Who knows the reason because we need 2 layers? And it's not enough 1 layer. Security, okay? But the reason, the exact reason.
Well, one goes like this, the other one goes like
But which is the reason?
Reason is not important. Important is to learn.
It's 1 millimeter. It's 1 millimeter.
The reason.
The horizontal and vertical.
You lose something.
To close the port. To close the
Pore.
port. To close the
Porosity.
But which is the reason? If I apply 2 layers in the same sense,
No, perfect.
which is the reason?
Porosity.
Exactly. Porosity. The porosity. If you only
Razlog je zato što se pred jednu ruku ovako osveti rukice i drugi put kad pređeš
To smo i rekli da se poroznost jebote. Horizontalna i vertikalna hidroizolacija, to različno je moja baba.
excuse me, if you only apply 1 layer, effectively the porosity of the first layer, the water goes through the first layer. If you put 2 layers, then the porosity is not connected. Okay? And remember, the drain, to protect the drain. I have a model. If you pour the fixed banda drain, okay, and then make the hole, and then protect with the waterproofing layer, you have a protection, extra protection of the drain. Okay, and in the corners is very useful put fix banda. Fix banda is ultra elastic and reinforce the corner. Okay? This is perfect. 1 millimeter applied with a soft trowel. You can apply the hydroelastic with brush, with roller, with a trowel, and spray. If you want to spray hydroelastic,
Do you have pump for that?
we have pump for this.
I am very interested for that.
No. And in these cases you can mix 20 kilos of hydroelastic with 1 liter of water to facilitate the spraying of the product with the pump.
Can we see this pump later on?
Yes.
So let's add that
Don't
5
forget
liter
that.
of water after you mix it in the.
You mix the powder, the latex,
Okay.
and
And after that,
and 1 liter of water
in the same time.
in the same tank. And then the spraying is easier.
And the final cleaning of the hose,
Of the hose?
the line of the pump.
The nozzle of the.
It's very easy because the manufacturer of the pump has a plastic
That's
bubble,
sponge.
a sponge, then it's very easy. It's very easy to clean. It's enough.
Usually, they work in this for example.
This is very important question. This is a very important question.
When we work in pools, usually it's very lot of sun, and we can put little water inside of this or protect from sun.
Which is your opinion? Swimming pools with a very hot temperature or insolation of the sun? Which is the process?
Morning.
Morning. Yes, no, it's
Only
for the
waiting
morning.
for the
Make
night.
the job of morning.
We do
But
this kind of jobs in night, in light.
Exactly. But is not possible work
I'm
at
working
night,
from 8
Yes,
to
really.
which is the best advice. What do you do?
80 grades, 20 grades maximum.
Wet to cool. Wet to cool. You can wet the surface. If the surface is very hot, you can wet the surface 1 hour before the application of the hydrosolation. I repeat, 1 hour before you can wet the surface with water. The secret is if the surface is brightness, brilliant, you have excess of water, liquid water. The surface must be made. You understand made?
Yes.
Without brightness. Then you can apply hydroelastic directly.
First
It's
one
better,
hour.
this-
First 1 hour put water. Yeah?
Excuse me?
First working.
first water.
First 1 hour. First the
Water, after 1 hour you can apply.
І ако има
Then
више
you
вода,
see the
опирате
surface.
слунжером и докато
It's brilliant, not correct, because you have liquid water. But if the surface is matte, without brightness, then you can apply.
Okay.
Very important question.
Yeah.
Okay, the cementitious waterproofing layer, the laminar waterproofing layer. Okay, in this case we have 2 demos: how to apply the laminar and how to make the overlooping. Okay. In this case, I will explain to you one thing. If you have a terrace, you have a slope. You have a slope, pendant, okay? In this case, you must overloop. You must make overlooping between one another. The first one and the second one. Of course. You put adhesive, and then make the overlooping. But in a swimming pool, you must never do overlooping. you must put a testa in Italiano, a testa, okay? And then put the banda with an epoxy. Our concurrents, in some cases, fix the banda with this one. For us, it's not correct. We fix the banda with epoxy, adhesive epoxy. In some cases, we have countries with movements, with seismic areas. Then we have the banda solapes elastic. Banda solapes elastic. It's another type of banda with elasticity. If in your country have movements, then you can change. You can change the banda solapes for the banda solapes elastic. Okay? Very important. Use Technocol gel to apply the lamina proof. And you must use a knotted trowel, maximum 3-4 millimeters of thickness. It's enough. Okay? You can apply the adhesive, but the most important part is avoid the possibility of bubbles of air. And to achieve this objective, it's imperative make this movement in only one sense. This movement is important. And now, with the smooth trowel, removes all the bubbles of air. The surface must be completely flat. If you touch, it's completely flat. This is a correct application. Then I repeat, the knotted trowel, maximum 3-4 millimeters of thickness. Okay? One sense. It's very easy to apply. Completely with correct length. It's simple. Now it's completely dry. The next day,
Very fast.
Then we must put the banda solapes, okay? And we use epoxy-col. Epoxy-col is a specific adhesive epoxy, basic epoxy, flexible, okay? Anti-slippering to fix the banda solapes. Okay? And it's very important, a trick that Paco will show to us. The first step is mix the 3 parts, okay? Always with the electric stirrer. And it's imperative, the knotted trowel, only 3 millimeters. In this case, it's imperative. 3
First
millimeters.
time this is как se kaže sushi, to dry. This 1 day. 1 day.
One day.
Next day.
The next day you can apply
This.
After 1 day.
Yes, I understand, but that.
This one. This one. 1 day.
I understand. This one.
This one.
Next step.
Next
How
step.
long time need to wait?
Epoxy.
Yeah.
The next day you put this one, 1 day more.
2 days.
Yeah.
2 days. In 2 days, it's enough. Very quick.
And if you use elastic in 2 layers, it's the same 2 days.
Nu. Hidroelastic are la 4. Jordi, hydroelastic first layer is not in 4 hours.
No, just to finish the job, not to wait until to wait tiling. Just to
Depends of the temperature.
In normal.
See, Paco is applying epoxy coal not exactly in the black line, with more length. Okay. No, this has a reason. Okay. Important, the nozzle travel. Okay, 1 cents. Now is removing the air, and now see the movement. Please see the movement. This is very important. This is very important to avoid possibilities of leaks. This movement, the epoxy to the banda. Okay? It's very easy to do, it's very quick, but it's important. It's these details. Okay? This is perfect. You must put the banda solapes on the corners and on the union between one lamina and the other. It's easy. Okay?
But 2 days now. I know.
How do you do wall with floor? Do you overlap?
On a terrace?
No. When you have pool wall and floor,
Yes.
do you overlap this? It goes one over the other, or it's
You must not overlap and then put the banda in the corner.
Special pieces for core. Not special pieces. You have example here, yeah?
Yes.
Asta întrebam, nu? Poți să faci
Nu, se face din bandă, gata, făcute pentru colț intern și extern. Dar pui banda, dar numai pentru colțuri, uitați alea. Ca să nu stați să...
We will show to you triple F. Triple F is only one product, I repeat, only one product that make 3 different type of applications. Only one product, 3 different type of applications. Triple F could be waterproofing, could be a cementitious adhesive, and could be a joint, a grout. Triple F. In some cases, depends of the country, it could be a good product because you only must buy to us only one product. And your workers don't make mistakes.
In many colors.
Black and gray. White and
Gray.
White and gray. In some cases, to avoid possibilities of mistakes of your workers, it should be a good product.
Color.
But in this model, we have 2 layers of waterproofing, okay? And now Paco is fixing and grouting the glass mosaic, okay? But this model is for a swimming pool with traditional chlorine depuration. If you have salt depuration, okay, then the grout, our advice is to use epoxy. Then triple F is a double F, not triple F, no, double F. It's only waterproofing and a cementitious adhesive. You understand me? Yes. Then you must change the trowel. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. If you want to fix and grout, you must use a knotted trowel, a big knotted trowel, to achieve that the material goes through the joints. But if you want to grout with epoxy, then the knotted trowel must be maximum 3 millimeters. With 6, the material goes through. You understand? You have two possibilities: waterproofing, fixing, and grouting for traditional chlorination, or waterproofing and fix the ceramic tiles for swimming pools with salt water.
This is for water or
Izolație tot asta. Aia a fost făcută din asta. Tot asta. Acum am făcut doar adeziv și kit. Facem întâi hidroizolația din ea, o sucă și apoi vii cu...
Deci asta mai are hidroizolație sub sau nu?
Păi aia albă e tot ea făcută înainte și s-a uscat.
Păi bun, dar atunci... Cu ce mai mă ajută care și asta hidroizolație dacă eu fac de desubt alta?
Păi nu, să o folosești un material ca pentru toate trei straturile.
Aia zic, deci aplic doar asta și nu mai aplic hidroizolație sub.
Nu m-ați înțeles. Hidroizolația se face cu o zi înainte cu același produs. Cum se face hidroizolație, oricare hidroizolație.
Am înțeles. Deci nu e o singură aplicare.
Două.
Sunt două aplicări.
Adezivul și kitul e o singură aplicare, dar hidroizolația se face înainte. Ideea e că nu-ți greșește muncitorul să-ți dea cu hidroizolație sau folosească ca adeziv sau...
Am înțeles.
Asta e...
Eu mă așteptam cu aplici un strat.
Nu, hidroizolația nu, că ar rămâne porozități. Hidroizolația îți face în două straturi. E clasic să face, decât că nu ai alt produs.
Și atunci dai un strat de hidroizolație?
Două.
Deci două straturi de hidroizolație și după aia...
We will show to you the best solution for the inside of swimming pools with cementitious solution. The best advice is always use epoxy grout. But if it's not possible to apply epoxy grout, then you can use ideal pool, cementitious additive, 8 colors. Okay? Paco is saying to me that he loves this product because it's very soft, it's very cream, and don't have porosity. The secret, if you want the secret of the formula, I will explain to you the secret of ideal pool. The secret of this product is the high level of waterproofing additive. It's very repellent to the water. Easy to apply, easy to clean. I repeat, this is a option. The best option is epoxy. But it's not possible, it's expensive, and you can apply the alcohol. Yeah, no problem. You can apply inside the swimming pool. Yeah.
Which is covering the...
It's most expensive than But if you want to avoid one stop, inside.
Jordi, this kind of product for outside at minus 20 degree, it's a problem? For pool deck, when outside is minus 20 degree or something.
During the application?
No.
After is not a problem.
No, pentru plajă, afară, pe...
Dilatation joint of the ground, for the ground is not good.
No, to don't go the water and broke
Repels the water.
ice to repels the water and
It repels the ice.
dacă e foc ca lumea, nu are cum.
Cement base. For salt, it's better epoxy, but it's not possible to use epoxy.
May I ask something? Why is not possible to use epoxy joint? Which could be the
The next step, waterproofing inside the swimming pool with cementitious layer, with lamina proof. And the beach, the surround of the swimming pool, we have a very beautiful product that it's called hydrofácil. Fácil in Spain is easy, hydro easy, okay? This is a paint, it's not a layer, it's a paint, it's a liquid, okay? And obviously it's
Este
very
pentru
easy
plajă.
to apply.
Plajă, dușuri, dar e vopsea.
Please see the application of Paco, because if you apply hydrofácil with this advice, you can apply only one layer. See, Paco is making pressure, okay? He's more or less is applying the paint as a primer in this moment. But immediately he will apply more quantity of hydrofácil, and then he will make less pressure, and then we will achieve this layer and see the flexibility of this layer. This is, I repeat, for the beach, for the surround, for the bathrooms. After the mortar. Before the time. And always, very important question, always with tiles, okay? If you don't want tiles, then we must use Fixcer rats, it's another product, okay? Fixcer rats without ceramic tiles as a finish. With hydrofácil, you always need to protect hydrofácil with a ceramic tiles. I repeat, this is not for the swimming pool inside. This is for the surround of the swimming pool.
Pentru plajă. Plajă, dușuri.
Extraordinary elasticity, okay? For the playa.
Da, eu mi-am făcut baia. La bloc. Nu. Asta e hidroizolație.
Așa, și peste ea vine ceramica.
Ceramică sau dacă nu, dai cu fix teras, alt strat, ăla e final.
Ceramic tiles as a finish.
It can expose it by UV or for what reason?
If you need repellent to sun, then you must use the other one, Fixcer rats. It's another product. The blue color is always with ceramic tiles as a finish.
Deci de asta trebuie placat. Nu, eu am făcut baia cu asta, dar e consumul mai mic, e vopsea și aderă foarte bine și ține foarte bine. La bloc unde ți-ai blocul de la vechi.
La colț cu benzi sau fără benzi?
Fără. Nu, aduce elastichet după ce... Dar trebuie să... Uitați aia de duș.
This corner, I think this is a very important application how to fix properly a skimmer. We will show to you a liquid concrete, with the most high level of resistance that you can see. Grout stent. Grout stent is a bag of cementitious. You only must mix one bag with only 3.5 liters of water. It's a small quantity of water, and you can see the liquid concrete. In this model, we have a skimmer. We will put this one here, and this is the result. We sell a lot quantity of grout stent because always in every swimming pool you will need this type of product to fix the stairs, the inox stairs, to fix a drain, to fix the skimmer. You always will need this type of product. This is the result. And now you only must pour the liquid concrete in the wood model. And you can see it's very, very strong, very, very hard. 25 kilos per bar. Okay? And obviously make movements or vibration to avoid the bubbles. Okay? But this is the result. It's a very, very strong product. Okay? You will need this product. You need this product. On afternoon will be completely dry. This afternoon. It's very, very dry. Okay, in this model I can show to you another product, the channel for the bathrooms. Okay, I am talking about this. In Fixcer we have a very beautiful solution for the channel of the bathroom with different type of finishing. Black color, golden color, bronze color, and silver color. Okay, in different type of sizes: 60, 50, 80, 90, 100, 120, and 150 different lengths. Okay, metallic finish or ceramic finish. Okay. You put the ceramic tiles and the ceramic tiles. I will explain to you how to use this application. It's very easy. All the products are inside the box. Thank you. The box. We have the PVC tubes. We have the siphon. Okay. And we have a lamina proof in red color to waterproof. And obviously the channel that you have chosen. Okay? Okay, I will explain to you quickly. Okay, the first step is apply the siphon. In this window you can see the siphon if you want. fix the siphon and put this piece in this part, okay? And then make the render with a mortar, okay? When the render is dry, remove this piece, and then you have the same thickness in this part as the
Da-aia pui
thickness
capacul
of
ca să
this.
fie...
And then put cementitious adhesive and put the lamina proof and the same application of lamina proof in the swimming pools. It's the same. Okay? Then put more quantity of cementitious adhesive and fix. And obviously ceramic tiles in the shower. Very easy to explain, very easy to use, and all the solution, I repeat, is in the box. Yes, with the slope. Yes, 1.5% of the slope.
Dar să știți că eu am făcut-o cu celălalt, cu aia vopsea. La bloc vechi. Care ăla?
Da.
A doua zi am dat.
A doua zi.
Deci am dat
Vreau să pun înapoi la acum și
Nu,
așa cu palma.
Da, așa?
nu, să rămână amprentă.
Da, dau și
The epoxy grout on anti-variant slip piece.
Da. Păi să-mi dați...
Paco will show to us
Nu, îmi dați WhatsApp și vă bag în grupul ăla de parteneri piscine și acolo le cumpăr toate.
Do you know that
Trebuie să mai verificăm, nu știu.
îl aveți, spune. Mi-ați dat pe el. M-am vorbit.
we have two different epoxy grouts, epoxy and professional PX. All of them, both of them has 26 colors. 26 colors of epoxy and 26 colors of professional PX. The difference between epoxy and professional PX is the fluidicity. Professional PX is more fluid, and then it's more easy to apply and to clean. Okay? But epoxy is cheap. Okay? Professional PX, in this case, the resin and the hardener, you must mix both of them, and the powder. The powder is very important, has the color. Okay? In this case, a light gray. Always mix with electrical stirrer. And the secret of the epoxy is the epoxy, but the tools. The tools are the secret. This is the secret. Then, I don't know if you know that the Fixcer spatula has different type of slopes. Do you know? This is more vertical, this is more vertical. The most vertical to do what? The most vertical, this side, to do what? The application.
Ăla ce șterge, ăla mai ascuțit.
You must dig.
The most vertical to apply.
You must dig double size.
It's this. And the less vertical to clean. Okay? I will show to you. This is important to apply epoxy and hard rubber, not a soft rubber, hard. To apply epoxy. And this is the second secret to clean. A Scotch Brite, white Scotch Brite to clean. Paco will apply the epoxy on all the surface. And I will show to you the reason.
Păi stați, că începe să... Acum o bate.
Că și eu am acasă și așa cu plăci de-astea. Într-o baie de pe doi. Pe toată placa.
E mai ușor. Da, e mai... Intră mai bine.
Intră mai bine?
Când dai pe rost, bagi în față, scoți în spate. Și nu te pleci.
Chiar o să mă uit să văd
But you can have an effect that it's called mark, that you can see if you clean very perfect, but you can see the difference between this area and the center. Our advice is, but if you want to remove all the product, then I change. Now I will use this part, and I will make pressure with two hands. More pressure. But it's not an accident. It's not a success. But now I will do the same only with one hand. Which is the difference? The difference is the inclination of the trowel. You must clean, you must put completely in vertical the trowel to remove all the products. Okay? If you make the movement only with 45 degrees of inclination, then it's impossible to remove all the product. And this is your euros. This product. Then it's important to remove all the products with the vertical position.
Le-am arătat la muncitori, am făcut demonstrații.
The next step, the most important. Please. The most important. Epoxy net. A small quantity of epoxy net in the bucket with water. Small quantity. It's enough. This is the difference between easy cleaning and a hard cleaning. Okay?
Epoxy net în
cold water.
Cold water?
If you use hot water, it's better, but it's not necessary.
Nu cred.
Ce? Stați că n-a terminat. Mai e unul.
Da, mai e unul. Acum trebuie să ia cu totul.
Acum spală rotund.
Îl uniformizează practic și pe rostul.
Da.
Circular movement.
Rotund, ca să faci, ca să intre bine în rost.
The use of epoxy net is our best advice. Only small quantity of it.
Ea a zis că ăla se spală, că ăla se spală.
Because epoxy net makes the cleaning very easy.
Mult apă, vedeți că
Makes the union between the epoxy and the water easier.
Mie mi-a fost teamă. Deci tot ce am folosit la mine baia a fost de piscină. Da, era logic.
Have epoxy net like product like isopropyl alcohol can be used.
It's not
the same in the water. It's like 1 liter.
Epoxy net has a special property that is not
Nu, aia stoarsă, acum o stoarce.
Asta e altceva.
Nu e apă, stoarce, tot de... Da, pe e burete, e burete. Și îl stoarce, îl dă pe role, să se stoarce. Ăla nu mai e ud.
Okay? See what I'm saying. Only one movement. Clean and clean. Move and clean, smooth and clean. Then remember, we are applying epoxy on an anti-slip material. This is the most difficult application. Then it's possible to achieve a completely clean surface. And the next day, the rest you can clean it with soap and water. No, it's not necessary. Soap and water. Fixable, soap and water. Okay? Remember, the trowel always in vertical position to remove. And use epoxy net, a small quantity of epoxy net in
Da, cu o apă și săpun. Fixabil, a zis. Ăla e detergent. A doua zi. Da, dar o să iasă aproape.
Acum ai pătat.
Uși, puțin ce-a mai rămas din zi. Normal, stai vreo 15. Deci dacă așteptai vreo 15 minute, ieșea mult mai curat. Pentru că a apucat puțin, că acum a fost foarte ud.
This is very important question. The packaging is, the minimum packaging is 5 kilos. Then, which is the quantity of workers that you use to make this application? How many workers do you need to make the grouting?
Minimum
Two?
Minimum.
The best number is not 2, it's 3. And 3, how many people apply and how many people clean?
One apply, one clean, one extra clean.
3? One applying, 2 cleaning, 2 applying, 1 cleaning, 2 applying, 1 cleaning. Cleaning is very easy. When I make this question, always the people say the contrary. 1 applying and 2 cleaning. It's not correct. Only 1 cleaning, 2 applying. This is the best proposal.
What is the correct open time of the product?
When you apply the epoxy in 10-15.
Open time in buckets.
Open time bucket 45 minutes. But on the surface in 10-15 minutes you must clean.
Open time in buckets, because if you have just 1 people to apply, you
45.
must think.
But don't be hot, not with a hot temperature. It's
Normal.
in summer when it's 30 degrees, it's more
15 degrees.
more quickly.
In summer with 40 degrees you need a shadow minimum in the package. A shadow. Okay? We are finishing. Now the last one, we will show to you how to fix new ceramic tiles on all ceramic tiles without removing the old ceramic tiles. And it's very easy to explain. This is a swimming pool, for example, and the first step is clean the rest of organic and the calcareum rests. And then the first step is to use Fixable to clean the organic rests. And the next step is use an acid cleaner to remove the calcareum rests. And obviously let to dry completely. Okay? Second, clean. Okay, The first step is clean with the fixable. The next step is clean with resnet. Resnet is a specific acid. This acid you can apply inside and outside, because this acid, resnet, don't react with the inox steel. Okay, resnet you can apply resnet inside and outside. Okay, and clean it and let to dry. Okay. Obviously, in this moment we will dry with a paper, but in normal conditions we let to dry with atmospheric conditions. Okay, we have the swimming pool completely clean. Okay, then we will do a thin layer of Fix Max. Fix Max is our best cementitious adhesive. We will apply Fix Max with another trowel, and we will put this net. And this is my question. Which is the objective to put the net in this case? Who knows? Pressure?
No.
160 grams per meter square or 120.
Excuse me. I repeat. The objective of the net in this case, who knows? Who knows? The objective is use
I know.
in this case.
I know. Dacă e vreo placă de stinsă jos. Dacă una de plăci nu e bine fixată,
When you use a fiberglass net with a mortar, when you use this, the objective which is to reinforce, no? Okay?
Пита кой притисък държи 120 грама, 40, 60, 3 път ga питам neće.
But in this case, it's not our objective. Fix Max is to don't need a strong force. Then the objective to put the net is to achieve the exact thickness in all the swimming pool. It's only the objective to use this net in the swimming pool. Okay? I repeat, the objective of the net is to achieve exact thickness in all the swimming pool. Without the net, you will achieve 1 centimeter of Fix Max in a corner and 1 millimeter in another, and it's not correct. We want the exact thickness in all the swimming pools. Now, the ceramic tile is disappearing. The next day, we will see only a gray surface. This is a perfect surface to apply a new waterproofing or directly a new ceramic tiles if you don't want to red waterproofing your swimming pool. You understand me?
Yes.
And I make another question. Which type of waterproofing can I apply on Fix Max the next cementitious waterproofing or lamina proof?
Both.
Both. This is a correct answer. You can apply that what you like. Obviously, if the swimming pool has leaks, our advice is re-waterproofing the swimming pool with lamina proof.
What is happening if I apply right now lamina proof? in the
We have
in the second.
we have a official certification not doing this past in this moment, and we must respect the official certification. We put today this layer and the next day the waterproofing or directly the ceramic. This is our certification. Our advice.
But
Okay.
but is have a hole. If this have a hole of a pump.
Okay.
When make this, if have one of these, we need to broke some.
Yes. Olivia asked me if you are if you have problem, right? And Paco has applied epoxy cleaner, okay? And then is removing with water. If you have a very thick layer of epoxy, then you can apply. Okay, this is a good solution to avoid the removing of the tiles. Okay, no check. But remember, I don't want to sell this one. This is a correct application.
Are nevoie.
Okay. I need a finger to make pressure. Tak, tak. 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay. Be careful. This is a trick. Please remove the level, the stick of the sausage to avoid the inclination of the sausage inside the piston. Remove the stick, the level. Okay, this is a trick. Selador stand.
Se încrețește acolo și se
Vamos a
adică nu se face la fel.
Sí, sí. Put the sausage in the pistol, and then it's very important the application. Paco will put a small quantity of selador and paint the concrete surface and paint the PVC surface. And after this, we'll apply more quantity of selador to fill up the union between the concrete and the PVC. You see, Paco is applying on both surfaces. This is which is the reason, the objective, to avoid the possibility to form bubbles of air. If you fill up directly this area, you will have bubbles of air. Okay? To avoid the possibility, this is correct, made correct. And now, Paco is filling up all the area around the PVC. Okay? Our advice is selling skimmers, dryings, and PVC tube like this. And now is another trick. If you put soap on the fingers, then you can press the selador and don't dirt your correct sealing of a PVC skimmer dry. Okay? It's very important, this part. Remember, the 90% of the swimming pools with leaks, the problem is here. Okay, and the last part, and for me is the most important part, the channel.
Aș devine până în România.
Nu.
Okay, channel. channel and the overflowing tank. The channel has not ceramic tiles, and the overflowing tank has not ceramic tiles. Then we must protect this channel because the water goes direct to the channel continuously, every day, every hour, every minute, and don't have ceramic tiles to protect it. Then we need extra protection of the channel. Then we apply the hydroisolation, cementitious or lamina proof, but always protect with this type of paint the waterproofing layer. This paint is called epoxy color pool and is an epoxy paint special for swimming pools. Okay? And it's very easy to apply because it's a paint. Then you must mix the big component and apply directly with a roller, 2 layers. Okay?
On the S system, it's not necessary any primer. You can apply directly.
In this case, you will apply the hydroisolation, the first layer. In this case, we will paint. But in the
for the paint, I ask, it's not necessary any primer.
No, it's not necessary primer. You will have the hydrofix or the hydroelastic or lamina proof, and then directly paint with the epoxy color pool. It's not necessary a primer. This is an epoxy paint. This is very important because the durability of the hydroisolation in the channel will depend on the epoxy color pool. This is the chemical resistance of the chemical and the overflowing tank. You understand me?
Da, 200. Păi da, da.
Before this, we need to apply the hydroisolation.
Primul a fost, trebuie și al doilea e...
Da, dacă îl dai mai ca lumea, îți rămâne alb. Și bazinul de compensare. Nu se face din cauza UV-ului schimbă culoarea și de-aia nu se pune epoxidic interior.